Hello and hi everyone. Today I'm going to address an important issue which is being mostly asked from my clients. Almost 90% of the girls, of the ladies who come to me, come with this issue. It is the thyroid imbalance. And I'm telling you, I'm going to discuss about a deep emotional issue which is actually the predominant reason for you to get into your thyroid issue, because from the past analysis and from the emotional issue that is being related to thyroid, if you look at it, it is a deep subconscious effect that is you're having on your physical body. Because almost 90% of the girls who have landed up in thyroid have actually landed up in this physical issue after 6 to 8 months of their marriage. Okay, so thyroid actually happens when your throat chakra, okay, this is called as visuddhi. So when your throat chakra is actually getting imbalanced. Okay, when I mean imbalance, the energy which is actually reaching the throat chakra is not good. Now there is some imbalance in the energy level. Now why is it happen? See, throat is something which you got to voice, which is a physical organ which is helping you to voice out your opinion. And just look deeper into yourself and imagine whether you have experienced this in your life. After your marriage, most of the time, okay, when you really wanted to voice out certain opinions, okay, to your husband or to your in-laws or even to your own parents, your relatives, or whatever it is, okay, most of the women are not able to voice out their opinions properly. You may want to do exercises, you may want to go take up a new course, you may want to continue your career, or some may be wanting to drop your career and completely become fancy at home and all that. So there could be so many things, but in order to behave more likable to everyone in the family, and especially it is a new family where your thirst for wanting to look good and thirst for wanting to get accepted in a new family is more severe and more high. What tends to happen is we make ourselves ready to dance to the tunes of everybody in the family. Ultimately we lose ourselves. This happens like 2 years, it gets continued, hoping that once when you get that acceptability, you get into start voicing out your opinion, or once when there is a child, you feel that you will get too much of love and attention from the family members, and then you can voice out your thoughts and all that. Or it may be 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So this has become a culture for most of the mothers, mother-in-laws, grandmothers and all that. But in today's scenario, when we are really not able to voice out the opinion, I'm 200% sure that this is the number one reason for most of my clients who have come to us. And like many of them have accepted them to be very true on this. So you also, if you are a person who are having some hypothyroid issues and all that, just look into the past 2 years or 3 years of your life where you've been in a situation where you are really not able to voice out your opinion, where you're not able to tell that this is what I wanted or this is what it has to happen and I didn't like it and I want it has to happen. See, it is happening or not happening, it is different. And but then if you don't tell it out, if you don't voice out your opinion, I'm sure this is going to end up in hypothyroidism. So I'm sure again another tablet or or an injection for this is going to be a lifelong measure for this. So this is not the cure for thyroid. Only thing is you got to change your mind pattern, change your behavioral pattern and start expressing yourself. When I tell start expressing, it need not be in the most aggressive and rough way. It can be in the most humble and the kindest way possible, but speak your mind, voice out your opinion. You need not dance to the tunes of everybody around you. You got to prove yourself. you are enough, and you are actually a wonder walking with flesh, and you need not prove anybody around you. You got to prove yourself. So you got to voice out, you got to stand out and speak out that is in your mind. Otherwise, I'm sure either you tell it or not, whether it is going to affect you, you're going to get physically affected with different sort of diseases and different sort of hormonal imbalances. So be yourself, become the best version of yourself. Bye bye, take care.